Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Yes.
How would you this person who says they're suffering when they stay in bed and not afraid to die?
Someone who is not afraid to die and says that he's not suffering.
He's a madman. That's all. Who is caring for madman's work?
It's very easy to convince some people that they're not their bodies, but it's not very easy to convince them that they're not their minds. There's some way we could...
But that will take time. How can we expect? In 1 minute everyone will understand everything. It requires education, time. If he is prepared to give the time, then he will understand. Not that within 5 minutes, 10 minutes he will understand the whole thing. That's not possible. He is a diseased man. He requires treatment, medicine, and diet. In this way he will understand. A diseased man, if he doesn't care for medicine, diet, then he'll suffer. That's all. Yes? Anyone? No?
Should we here lifetime after lifetime performing impious activities, or does it mean that we have to be here lifetime after lifetime performing pious activities to balance our sinful reactions?
We have been here for many lifetimes performing sinful activities. So is it possible to counteract all those sinful activities in one lifetime, or does it require many
1 minute. That is Krishna consciousness movement. 1 minute. You are not reading Bhagavad Gita? What Krishna says? Sarva dharman parityajya mamekang saranang braja aham ta sarva papebhya mokshayami. You surrender unto me, give up your all business. I will give you relief from all sinful reaction, immediate. It requires 1 minute. My dear Krishna, I was forgotten, now I understand, I fully surrender unto you. Then you become immediately free from all sin. Without any reservation, without any politics. If you fully surrender, Krishna is assuring, aham tva sarva papi bhamokhaisami masucha. He reassures. Don't worry whether I will be able to give you relief from all reaction. Masucha. It is guaranteed. You do this. So, how much time it requires to surrender to Krishna? Immediately you can do that. Surrender means you surrender and work as Krishna says. That is surrender. What Krishna says to do. Manmana bhavamad bhakta madhyajimang namaskuru. 4 things. You always think of me and you become my devotee, you worship me and offer your respectful obeisances unto me. You do these 4 things. That is full surrender. Mami vaishyasi asangsa. Then you come to me without any doubt. Everything is there. Krishna has given everything fully. If you accept it, then life is very simple. There is no difficulty. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.